Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Auto One. Get ready for the highly anticipated arrival of the 2025 Audi Q3, a subcompact SUV that continues to impress with its sleek design and advanced features. This year, Audi introduces the new Black Optic Plus Package, adding a sportier and more aggressive look to the Q3 45 models. But what else can you expect from this stylish and sophisticated vehicle? Let's dive in. The 2025 Audi Q3 maintains its signature, striking exterior design that has already won over many fans. However, with the addition of the Black Optic Plus package, the Q3 takes on a whole new level of allure. This package includes eye-catching 19-inch black wheels, sleek black exterior trim, bold black mirror housings, and stylish black roof rails. These enhancements give the SUV a more aggressive and modern appearance, ensuring it stands out on the road. Step inside the 2025 Q3, and you're greeted with a familiar yet luxurious interior. Audi has always been synonymous with premium quality, and the Q3 is no exception. The Black Optic Plus package adds a sporty flair with red contrast stitching, elegant carbon trim, supportive front sport seats, and stainless steel pedal caps. The cabin exudes a sporty vibe while maintaining an air of sophistication. The angled dashboard design ensures that the central screen and controls are within easy reach, providing both convenience and style. Premium materials are used throughout, making the Q3 feel like a truly high-end vehicle. Technology is a standout feature of the 2025 Q3. Audi has equipped this SUV with a host of advanced tech features to keep you connected, entertained, and informed on every journey. Standard features include an 8.8-inch touchscreen, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a wireless charging pad, Bluetooth, 10 audio speakers, and 4 USB ports. For those who crave even more tech, higher trims offer additional upgrades such as a 10.1-inch touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, Amazon Alexa integration, and a premium 15-speaker audio system. Whether you're navigating through city streets or embarking on a long road trip, the Q3's technology ensures you're always in control and entertained. Under the hood, the 2025 Q3 features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. In the Q3 40 model, this engine produces 184 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience. For those seeking more power, the Q3 45 model offers an upgraded version of the engine, boasting 228 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a dynamic and enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, the Q3's performance capabilities won't disappoint. Safety is a top priority for Audi, and the 2025 Q3 is no exception. The SUV comes equipped with an array of standard safety features designed to keep you and your passengers protected. These include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, automatic high beam assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and lane departure warning. For those who want even more safety features, optional upgrades include a surround view camera, traffic jam assist, and traffic sign recognition. With these advanced safety technologies, you can drive with confidence knowing that the Q3 has your back. Pricing for the 2025 Audi Q3 starts at $37,600 for the Q3 40 trim and $41,900 for the Q3 45. The Premium Plus versions, which offer additional features and enhancements, are priced at $41,400 for the Q3 40 and $43,900 for the Q3 45. With its blend of luxury, technology, performance, and safety, the 2025 Audi Q3 offers exceptional value for those seeking a premium subcompact SUV. In summary, the 2025 Audi Q3 is an elegant, tech-savvy, and safe SUV, perfectly designed to elevate your driving experience. With its sleek exterior design, luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and advanced safety features, the Q3 is a standout in its class. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this incredible vehicle. Visit your nearest Audi dealership to experience the 2025 Q3 for yourself and see why it continues to impress.